Hello everyone and welcome. I've recently visited Austria for 5 days, and instead of watching some annoying YouTuber just talk about themselves for 20 minutes, you might just be looking for some basic information such as how to get from Vienna airport to the city, how to use the U-Bahn in Vienna, or how to get to Salzburg on the train. You can check out my Austria playlist where you can find some videos about these places, as well as a video on how to get to Hallstatt. Let's get going! Okay, when you arrive at Vienna airport and you walk out of arrivals expecting a gaggle of photographers to be taking photos of you like a celebrity, but then you realise you're a nobody, you'll probably want to get some money. Of course, there are plenty of ATMs in arrivals, as well as those money exchange places. What are they called? Bureau de change? Anyway, if you're not still living in the 1980s, you might want to get hold of a Revolut card. You can add money to this card from your home bank account and exchange your money into euros on the app on your phone and withdraw it without incurring those ridiculous fees. There's a link down in the description if you are living in the 21st century. Okay, next up, you probably want to get into the city, right? If you're loaded, you can probably get a taxi or use one of those private car service thingies, but alternatively, if you are more budget conscious, you can get either the bus or the train. We'll cover the bus a little bit later. The express train to the centre of Vienna takes only 16 minutes. Wicked! Plus it costs €12 for a one-way adult trip. Not bad. You can purchase your ticket at one of the green machines and Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go. Walk down the ramp next to the ticket machines and jump on the train. They're really comfortable. There's a plug socket so you can recharge your phone in the event that your annoying children have been wasting your battery on the plane. The train employee will come and check your ticket. The train arrives at Vienna at Vienna Mitte, basically the central train station near to the Stadtpark. Then you'll probably want to get the subway to your place, or should I say the U-Bahn, which brings us onto that. See what I did there? Brilliant. Right, the U-Bahn, or metro, subway, underground, whatever you want to call it, is really easy to use. You might hear that you can fare dodge as there are no ticket barriers, but don't be an idiot. Everything is signposted, and of course there are signs everywhere leading you to each line. There are even lights on the ceiling leading the way. The ticket machines are easy to use. A one-way ticket on the U-Bahn costs €2.40. At least I think it was that. Yeah. Obviously, the price might change by the time you go to Vienna, so don't go mental at me in the comments if it's changed, alright? Then you get on the train. It's not rocket science. Okay, let's fast forward to when you're going to Salzburg or wherever on the train. I booked my train with Flixbus. Yes, they also do train tickets apparently. One way cost me about €25. I say about because the cost will obviously differ depending on the time of day, the actual day, or the time of year. These trains leave from the West Bahnhof. The station is really easy to navigate with a big board telling you at the entrance which platform your train goes from. Make sure you arrive at least 15 minutes before the train leaves, otherwise you'll be totally buggered. The trains are brilliant, double-decker, comfortable, and the bloody Wi-Fi even works. Amazing. The ticket inspector lady will come along and inspect your ticket. If you book with Flixbus, it clearly says on the ticket that you may have to provide proof of ID, like a passport. Okay, as I said, the last point is about getting the bus to and from the airport. This is another great option for the budget conscious, or maybe for those of you who spent all your money on expensive tours and restaurants and you think, oh shit, I'm skint. Anyway, the bus leaves from either the West Bahnhof or Hauptbahnhof and costs €8. Pretty decent. It doesn't take very long, although to be honest I didn't really notice because I was playing with Instagram the whole way. Bingo, you're sorted. Obviously for many of you this will all be basic information, but if you don't travel very much, or maybe it's your first time travelling by yourself, you might remember that actually you're a bit of an idiot like me. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Right, that's this Austria series done and dusted. Thank Christ for that. But being serious for a minute, I had a really great time in Austria and I really enjoyed myself, so I hope you do too. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments down below and I might answer them if I feel like it. Brilliant. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you later.